Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate passive income with Yotta, full guide step by step clearly. To activate passive income with Yotta, start by downloading the Yotta app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and create an account. Enter your email address and create a strong password. After registering, verify your email by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Next, log into the Yotta app using your new credentials. Once logged in, complete your profile by providing any required personal information. Link your bank account to the Yotta app for funding and withdrawals. Make sure to allow any necessary permissions for smooth processing. Now, you can deposit funds into your Yotta account. Consider starting with a small amount to get familiar with the platform. Yotta operates on a unique prize-linked savings model. For every dollar you deposit, you earn tickets for a weekly prize draw. The more tickets you have, the better your chances of winning. Additionally, Yotta offers a competitive interest rate on your savings. This interest is paid daily, allowing your money to grow over time. Monitor your savings and ticket balance through the app's dashboard. Regularly check the weekly prize results and see if you've won. Try to maintain a consistent deposit schedule to maximize your earnings. Consider setting up automatic transfers from your bank to your Yotta account. This can help you save more without the need for manual intervention. Engage with the app features to learn about improving your financial literacy. Use the insights provided to make informed decisions about your savings. If you have questions, explore the Yotta support section for resources. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to activating passive income with Yotta. Patience is key as you watch your savings and potential winnings grow over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.